We have got some cool updates today across the internet computer community and beyond. So let's get straight into it. Before we get in, just a quick note, Ledger Live is an independent platform. We don't take sponsor money and we rely on reader and viewer support to keep reporting, researching, and producing these updates. If you find value in this content, please consider making a donation. You will find all the details in the description below. Firstly, let's talk about Caffeine. Dom has issued a call for early access users of Caffeine to share what they have been building on the internet computer. In a post on X, he asked developers to upload demo videos of fully on-chain apps that were created just by chatting with AI and to share those links directly in reply. The incentive is pretty generous. A total of 7,500 ICP will be distributed among the best entries, with extra gifts promised for runners up. The deadline for submissions is 30th September, which means the community has only a few days left to put forward their work. The challenge has already stirred excitement. Some developers see it as a chance to showcase what they have been working on quietly, while others are pointing out how it highlights the growing potential of AI assisted development. What makes this moment interesting is the way Caffeine is blurring the line between code generation and deployment. It's not just a coding assistant, it's a bridge that takes you from idea to a running decentralized app in a matter of conversations. And that's powerful because in the wider Web3 conversation, we have reached the stage where people want to see working products, not just concepts. This contest is perfectly timed for ICP. It provides a showcase of what's possible and demonstrate accessibility. The judging criteria haven't been laid out in detail, but the focus is set to be on creativity and usability. That gives newcomers as much opportunity as seasoned developers to stand out. As the deadline approaches, everyone is waiting to see what surfaces. Whether it's games, social apps, or new financial tools, the submissions will give us a snapshot of how accessible and practical on chain development has become when supported by AI. Now, moving to ICPSwap, one of the most widely used DeFi platforms in the ICP ecosystem. They have just rolled out a redesigned wallet interface, and the changes are designed to make trading and portfolio management much more intuitive. The new slide out wallet panel brings all assets and portfolio items into one place where tokens, limit orders, liquidity positions, staking pools, farm assets, you name it. This centralization makes it far easier for users to manage everything without needing to jump around. There is also more customization. Users can now add or remove tokens, including CKBTC, tailoring their wallet to only show what they actually want to track. On top of that, there is a new contacts feature for sending tokens. It allows you to save addresses, which reduces the risk of accidentally copying a phishing address and losing funds. It's a straightforward improvement, but one that really boosts security. Two more upgrades were introduced: a canister ID search, which makes it quick to locate tokens or trading pairs, especially helpful as the number of assets keeps growing, and a live price display on the pending limit order list, making it easier for traders to monitor open positions. These updates are not flashy in the sense of being headline grabbing innovations, but they address the things that matter most to users, like convenience and safety. For ICP Swap, it's a statement that they are listening to their community and steadily building a platform that feels trustworthy and simple to use. Next, let's talk about Odin Fun, which is experimenting with something quite fresh, that's community fees. This new feature is designed to reward creators and their communities in a more sustainable way. It shifts away from the pump and dump models and reliance on NFT royalties, aiming instead for long term alignment. Here is how it works: any user can create a community, and every participant can choose one primary community to join. The creator of that community receives a small fee based on total trading volume of all users within that community across all tokens on Odin Fun. That last point is key because it's not tied to one token. It avoids artificial trading spikes. It rewards consistent activity and encourages creators to foster genuine engagement. For users, the system provides incentives too. By joining a community, they can access trading insights, rewards, and even airdrops. For creators, the path to earnings becomes steadier. And for the ecosystem as a whole, incentives are aligned towards collaboration rather than quick cash grabs. The feature is already well underway. The smart contract work is complete and under audit, while front end and back end development is nearly finished. That means community fees will be live soon. And it doesn't stop there. Odin Fun is also preparing upgrades like Bitcoin perpetuals, LP staking with rewards, airdrop mechanisms, and even integration with Solana and BRC20 tokens. They are clearly positioning themselves as a multi chain hub with a unique community driven model. For creators frustrated with traditional reward systems, this could be a refreshing alternative that actually promotes sustainable participation. Now, let's zoom out a bit to the global stage, the World Crypto Hackathon League. The organizers have announced that the 2025 global finale will be open to new teams. This comes after months of intense competition where 12,000 participants have already advanced through various stages. Many of these teams have been refining their projects for weeks, so late entrants will need to move quickly if they want to compete on equal footing. The decision to expand wasn't just about numbers. Organizers see this as an opportunity to highlight resilience and creativity under pressure. Registration will take place via DoraHacks, and the official WCHL Discord has a dedicated channel to guide newcomers through the process. Importantly, one rule has been set: teams or individuals who dropped out earlier won't be allowed to re enter. The idea is to maintain fairness for those who stayed committed. The finale isn't just about prizes. For many participants, it's about being on a stage that showcases innovation and collaboration globally. And this year's expanded format means we are likely to see a wider mix of projects, some from underdogs who join at the last minute and surprise everyone. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting gatherings for developers in 2025. Whether established leaders continue their dominance or new voices break through, the finale will be closely watched. Finally, let's turn to something more technical but very important for developers: the launch of Decimal for Motoko. Developer Datka has released a fixed point decimal type and arithmetic library called Decimal, now available on MOPS. Why does this matter? Well, Motoko developers working on DeFi projects often face a challenge handling precise calculations across different tokens, especially when they use varying decimal places. For example, Satoshi's way or USD cents all represent values differently, and converting between them accurately is essential. Decimal solves this by allowing conversion between text, float, int, and nat types with rounding, while also supporting arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and power. It comes with utility functions that make handling financial values predictable and reproducible. The library was born out of the D-Money project, a cross-chain DeFi initiative, where precise parsing and manipulation of values was absolutely necessary. Since no fixed point decimal type existed for Motoko, Datka decided to build one. Now, by open sourcing it, he is providing a tool for the wider community. Developers are encouraged to test it, give feedback, and help refine it further. For projects dealing with cross chain finance, this is a huge step forward in reliability and precision. So, those are today's 5 big updates: Caffeine's demo contest, ICPSwap's new wallet interface, Odin Fun's community fees, the WCHL 2025 global finale, and Decimal's launch on MOPS. Ledger Life is here to bring you stories like these independently without sponsorships. If you find value in what we do, please consider supporting us through a donation. The wallet details are in the description below. And if any of the projects we have mentioned today caught your attention, you will also find their links in the description, so you can check them out directly. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next update.